Okay, on this problem, what it wants you to do is you can use the formula or you can use Excel, but in this particular problem, if you click on View an Example, it says first copy and paste it into Excel. You're going to want to use technology, so you will have to use Excel. So let me show you how to do that real quick. First, we want to look at the percentile rank for the wins by the Tampa Bay Rays. So the formula here is equal percentile rank, and then there's two, and you want to do the .exe, which means exclusive. So for the array, we're looking for Tampa Bay Rays wins. So you're going to select all of the data under wins. And then you're going to have your comma and then X. So whatever you're trying to find, here we're trying to find Tampa Bay Rays. We're going to select their wins. And then the significance is how many decimal places that you need it to be. Well, we're going to round to 1 once it's changed to a percent. So we're going to need at least 3. So you can put 3, you can put more than that and round. Now, when you multiply that by 100 or move the decimal place 2 places to the right, you're going to get 51.6. Then for the next one, so you don't have to put these in order or anything when you're using the formula in Excel. For the Seattle Mariners, you're going to do the same thing. This time we're looking at losses. So select all of your losses, and then Seattle. And then there's the number of losses for Seattle Mariners, and then significance, you can put 3 or 4. I'm going to put 3 this time. And make sure when you select your array that it highlights all of your losses. Okay, so as you can see, it's the same percentile rank as the rank for the previous one. So you would get 51.6 for that as well.